Hey everyone, welcome back to Utera Real Estate.
Hi guys, welcome to Orduha Village, Caloocan City. Tara, pasok tayo and let's explore your possible dream home at investment in one. Una, ang maluwag na living area, perfect for family bonding, movie nights, o tambay with friends. Beside that, andito ang dining area. Imagine na lang ang happy meals and chikahan moments dito with your whole family. Plus, may balcony ka pa. Pang-kape sa umaga, pang-relax sa hapon, at pang-hangout sa gabi. This home has 3 bedrooms designed for comfort at para sa privacy ng bawat isa sa pamilya. Siyempre, complete din with bathrooms at malinis at ready for everyday convenience. At hindi mawawala ang dirty kitchen. Perfect pangluto ng paboritong nating Pinoy dishes, lalo na pag may handa. Pero guys, ang pinaka the best part, may dalawa pang 1 bedroom units sa ground floor, each with its own toilet and bath. Pwede mo iparent for extra passive income. So, may bahay na, may income pa. Don't miss this rare opportunity dito sa Orduha Village, Caloocan City. Tawag or message na sa numbers on screen.